In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set purchase budget in Google Play Store. If you've ever wondered where your app and game spending goes each month, Google Play has a built-in budget and history tool that makes it easy to track. Think of it as a dashboard and a set of gentle reminders. It keeps a running total of what you've purchased and gives you a heads up as you approach a limit you choose. One important note up front: this is purely a tracking and warning feature. Even if you pass your budget, purchases are not blocked. To set it up, start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the top right corner, tap your profile picture to open your account menu. From there, choose Payments and Subscriptions. On the next screen, select Budget and History. Now tap Set Budget. Enter the monthly amount you want to stick to. Pick a number that reflects what you're comfortable spending across apps, games, movies, books, and in-app items. When you're satisfied with the amount, tap Save. Your chosen currency will match the account you're signed into, so make sure you're using the correct Google account before saving. That's all it takes. From now on, Google Play will track your spending for the current month against that budget. You'll receive alerts when you're getting close to your limit and another if you go over it. These usually appear as notifications and may also show inside the Play Store. On the same budget and history screen, you can see a clear snapshot of your current month's total and a chronological list of your purchase history, so it's easy to spot where your money is going. Because the budget is monthly, it refreshes with each new calendar month and starts counting from zero again. The history view remains available to help you review past activity. If your situation changes, you can adjust or remove the budget at any time. Just go back to your profile picture in the Play Store. Tap Payments and Subscriptions, then Budget and History. Tap Edit Budget to change the amount, or tap Remove Budget if you don't want to track it anymore. Your changes take effect right away, and you can re-enable a budget later whenever you need it. A few quick tips to make this work well for you. Start with a realistic number, then fine-tune it after a month of real data. Keep notifications on so you don't miss alerts. And remember, this tool doesn't block purchases. If you need stricter control, consider enabling purchase authentication or exploring family management options. That's it. Your Google Play budget is set. Enjoy clearer insight into your spending and happy downloading.